Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to our English podcast. I'm so happy you're here today.
Me too. And guess what? Today is a very special topic.
Yes, today we're talking about Christmas. Do you love Christmas?
Oh, I love Christmas. It's my favorite time of the year.
Mine too. And you know what? Christmas is perfect for learning English because we use so many fun, simple words.
That's true. Words like snow, gift, tree, and Santa.
Exactly. So today we're going to talk about Christmas like two friends drinking hot chocolate together.
Hot chocolate. That sounds nice. So, listeners, get comfortable, maybe grab a cup of tea or coffee, and let's talk about Christmas.
Perfect. Let's start with a simple question. What does Christmas mean to you?
Ooh, good question. For me, Christmas means family. Every year, my whole family comes to my house. We eat together, we laugh together, we're just together.
That's beautiful. Family is so important at Christmas time.
What about you? What does Christmas mean to you?
For me, Christmas means love and giving. You know, giving means when you give something to someone.
Yes, like when you give a gift to your friend.
Exactly. At Christmas, we show love by giving gifts, spending time together, and being kind.
I like that. Christmas is about love, not just about presents.
Right. But presents are fun too.
Yes, I won't lie. I love getting presents.
Me too. Now, let's talk about when we were children. Do you have good Christmas memories from when you were a kid?
Oh, yes, so many. When I was little, maybe 7 or 8 years old, I always woke up very early on Christmas morning,
How early?
like 5 o'clock in the morning.
5 o'clock? Wow, that's very early.
I know, but I was so excited. I wanted to see the presents under the tree.
Under the tree. That means the presents were below the Christmas tree, right?
Yes, exactly. The presents were under the tree, and I ran downstairs so fast.
Did your parents wake up too?
No, they were sleeping. So I just sat there looking at all the presents, waiting for them to wake up.
You are a very patient child.
Not really. After 10 minutes, I went to their bedroom and said, "Mom, Dad, wake up. It's Christmas."
That's so cute. I did the same thing when I was little.
Really? You woke up your parents too?
Every year, my poor parents, they were so tired.
All children do this at Christmas.
True. But you know what? Now I understand my parents. Now, when I need to wake up early, it's so hard.
I know, being an adult is difficult sometimes.
But Christmas morning as a child, that feeling was magic.
Magic, yes, perfect word. Everything felt magic.
Did you believe in Santa Claus when you were little?
Oh, yes. Until I was 9 years old, I believed Santa was real.
That's sweet. When did you learn the truth?
My older brother told me. He said, Santa isn't real. Mom and Dad buy the presents.
Oh no, were you sad?
Very sad. I cried a little, but then I was also happy because it meant my parents loved me very much.
Aw, that's a nice way to think about it. What about you? When did you stop believing in Santa Claus?
I was 8. I woke up one night and saw my dad putting presents under the tree.
Oh no, you caught him.
Yes, But I didn't say anything. I just went back to bed and pretended I didn't see.
That's funny. So you kept the secret.
Yes, I didn't want to make my dad feel bad.
You were a kind child. Now, let's talk about Christmas decorations. This is fun vocabulary.
Yes, decorations. This word means the beautiful things we put in our house at Christmas.
Like the Christmas tree.
Exactly. The Christmas tree is the most important decoration. Do you have a real tree or a fake tree?
I have a fake tree because it's easier. I can use it every year.
That's practical. I have a real tree. I love the smell.
Oh, yes, real trees smell amazing, like the forest.
What else do you put on your tree?
I put lights, little lights that shine. Some are white, some are colored.
Lights are so pretty. They make everything look magical.
Yes, and I also put ornaments on the tree.
Ornaments, that's a good word. Ornaments are the small, pretty things we hang on the tree.
Right, like balls, stars, little angels.
And at the top of the tree, what do you put?
A star, a big gold star.
Perfect. Many people put a star or an angel at the top.
What other decorations do you have in your house?
I have a wreath on my door. Do you know this word? Wreath?
I'm not sure. What is it?
A wreath is a circle made of green leaves and sometimes red berries. We hang it on the front door.
Oh, I know what you mean. It looks very nice. Yes, and I also put candles around the house.
Candles are romantic, but be careful. Fire is dangerous.
Yes, I'm always careful. What about outside? Do you decorate outside your house?
Yes, I put lights on the windows and a small Santa on the balcony.
That sounds beautiful. Some people put many, many lights outside.
Oh, I know. Some houses look like a disco.
A disco. That's funny, but true.
But I like it. It makes me happy to see all the lights in the neighborhood.
Me too. It makes the dark winter nights more cheerful.
Now, let's talk about my favorite part, food.
I knew you would say that.
What? I love eating, especially at Christmas.
Me too. Christmas food is delicious. What do you usually eat at Christmas?
We eat turkey. Do you know turkey? It's a big bird.
Yes, turkey is traditional at Christmas in many countries.
We cook the turkey in the oven for many hours. It smells so good.
What do you eat with the turkey?
We eat potatoes, vegetables, and gravy.
Gravy. That's a good word. Gravy is the brown sauce we put on meat and potatoes.
Yes, it's delicious. Do you eat turkey too?
Sometimes, but my family also makes ham. Ham is meat from a pig.
Oh, I love ham. Sweet ham with pineapple?
Yes, that's very popular. And what about dessert? What sweet food do you eat?
We eat Christmas cookies. My mom makes them every year.
What kind of cookies?
Gingerbread cookies. They're brown cookies with a spicy taste.
Mmm, and sometimes they're shaped like people, right?
Yes, gingerbread men. Little people made of cookie.
That's so cute. I also love Christmas cookies.
What other desserts do people eat at Christmas?
Many people eat Christmas cake or Christmas pudding. What's the difference?
Christmas cake is sweet with fruit inside. Christmas pudding is also sweet with fruit, but is very heavy and rich.
Heavy means a lot, like very filling, right?
Yes, When food is heavy, it means you feel very full after eating it.
I understand. And what do you drink at Christmas?
Some people drink wine or champagne, but I love hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate at Christmas is perfect, especially with marshmallows.
Oh, yes, little white, soft, sweet marshmallows on top.
Now I'm hungry.
Me too. But let's keep talking. Let's talk about gifts.
Okay, gifts, presents. This is exciting. So, when you want to ask someone what they want for Christmas, you can say, "What do you want for Christmas?"
That's easy. What do you want for Christmas?
Exactly. And if someone asks you, you can say, "I want," and then say the thing.
For example, I want a new book, or I want a warm sweater.
Perfect. Those are great examples. Do you wrap your presents? Yes. Wrap means to cover the present with pretty paper.
Right. I love wrapping presents. I use red and gold paper.
That sounds beautiful. I'm not very good at wrapping. My presents look funny.
Funny how?
The paper is always too small or too big, and I use too much tape.
Tape is that sticky thing we use to close the paper, right?
Yes, exactly. And I always use too much.
That's okay. It's the thought that counts.
It's the thought that counts. That means the love is more important than how the present looks.
Yes, if you give a present with love, it doesn't matter if the wrapping is perfect.
True. What's the best present you ever received?
Ooh, good question. When I was 10, I got a bicycle.
A bicycle. That's a wonderful present.
I was so happy. I rode it every day.
That's sweet. For me, the best present was a guitar when I was 15.
Do you still play guitar?
Sometimes, not every day, but I still enjoy it.
That's nice. Music is a great gift.
Now, let's talk about Christmas around the world. Different countries celebrate in different ways.
Oh, that's interesting. How?
Well, in Australia, Christmas is in summer.
Summer? Really?
Yes, because Australia is in the southern hemisphere, so December is hot there.
Wow. So they go to the beach on Christmas.
Exactly. They have barbecues on the beach.
That's so different. No snow, just sun and sand.
Right. And in some countries, they celebrate on December 24th, not December 25th.
Oh, why?
It's just tradition. Different countries, different traditions.
I see. What about Santa Claus? Does every country have Santa?
Most countries have Santa, but he has different names.
Different names? Like what?
In some places, he's called Father Christmas. In others, he's Saint Nicholas.
Interesting. But he always wears red and white?
Usually, yes. The red suit is famous all over the world.
What about food? Is it different in other countries?
Yes. In some countries, they eat fish at Christmas, not turkey or ham.
Fish? That's different.
Yes. In Japan, some people eat fried chicken at Christmas.
Fried chicken? Really?
Yes, it's from a fast food restaurant. It's a special tradition there.
That's so interesting. Every country is different.
Exactly. But everywhere, Christmas is about family, love, and happiness.
That's beautiful. Those are the important things.
Now, tell me a funny Christmas story. Did anything funny happen to you at Christmas?
Oh, yes, I have a funny story.
Tell me.
Okay, so when I was 12, we had a big family dinner. My aunt made a beautiful chocolate cake.
Sounds good so far.
So she put the cake on the table and everyone was excited. But then my dog jumped on the table.
Oh no, your dog?
Yes, my dog ate half the cake before we could stop him.
Half the cake?
Yes, he was so fast and his face was covered in chocolate.
That's hilarious. Was your aunt angry?
At first, yes, but then everyone started laughing.
That's good. Sometimes you just have to laugh.
Exactly. Now it's a funny memory. What about you? Do you have a funny Christmas story?
Yes. One year I tried to help cook the turkey.
Uh-oh, this doesn't sound good.
It's not. So I put the turkey in the oven, but I forgot to turn on the oven.
Haha, you forgot to turn it on?
Yes, I waited 2 hours and then I checked. The turkey was still cold.
Oh no, what did you do?
We had to eat very late that night. We ate dinner at 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock? That's so late.
I know, but everyone was nice about it. They just laughed at me.
That's funny. Cooking mistakes happen to everyone.
True, but now I'm more careful.
Haha, good idea. Okay, we're almost at the end of our podcast. Let's do a quick review of the vocabulary we learned today.
Yes, great idea. So we learned the word decorations, the pretty things we put up at Christmas.
Right, like lights, ornaments, and wreaths.
We talked about wreath. That's the circle of green leaves on the door.
Yes, and we learned wrap, to cover a present with paper.
We also talked about turkey and ham, traditional Christmas foods.
And gravy, the brown sauce.
Don't forget gingerbread, those yummy brown cookies.
And we learned it's the thought that counts. This means love is more important than the gift.
That's such a nice phrase.
So, dear listeners, we hope you enjoyed talking about Christmas with us today.
Remember, Christmas is about love, family, and being together.
Practice these simple words. Use them when you talk about Christmas with your friends.
And remember, you don't need perfect English to share love and happiness.
That's right. Just speak from your heart.
So, what are you going to do for Christmas this year?
Think about it. Maybe you'll see your family, eat delicious food, or give gifts to people you love.
Whatever you do, we hope you have a very happy Christmas.
Thank you so much for listening to our podcast today.
We love having you here with us.
If you enjoyed this episode, listen to it again. Repetition helps you learn.
Yes, listen many times. It's okay.
And practice speaking. Talk about Christmas with your friends in English.
Don't be shy. Making mistakes is okay. That's how we learn.
Exactly. We wish you all a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
And we'll see you in the next podcast.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye and happy learning.